Yo, come on.
Come outside.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall, skilla. Yeah, well, go on me there again, my people. Blessed manners and respect to each other for one. I'm going to present a certain amount of videos to you that I saw on social media. So, my people, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when one motor vehicle that was being operated by someone hit a motor vehicle that was being operated by someone. I got the understanding from the video that because one motor vehicle that was being operated by someone hit a motor vehicle that was being operated by someone, that motor vehicle hit another motor vehicle. But I'm not able to confirm how many motor vehicles might have been hit by a motor vehicle as a result of the incident or the situation of your subscribers. So, I want to look at the video carefully, and based on what you can see happen in the video, you can tell me how many motor vehicles you think had been hit by a motor vehicle or was involved in the whole incident. And if you can tell me what might have been the cause of that situation. It's a some people. But anyways, I don't have any confirmed information to determine where the video will be recorded, and viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. So I go on to some people. So I wonder why a motorist stop a motor vehicle at a certain point in such a way too as well. I'm also wondering at what speed one motorist was driving a motor vehicle that hit a motor vehicle from behind and so on. I say, now today is Sunday, viewing subscribers, and I saw a video that shows a situation that I think is bad. Yeah, that situation was bad. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a person who went inside of a place of worship had the intention to attack at least one person who was inside of that place. Now, in my point of view, the person attacked the person, but I don't think the attack went the way how the person might have wanted it to go. So I got the understanding from the video that there were a certain amount of persons inside of that place of worship, and the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show when a person was walking towards at least one person, and it is believed that the person was walking towards a person who the person had the intention to attack. However, based on certain things that I saw happen in the video, it made me assume that the person who it is believed that the other person had the intention to attack might have been on the alert, because a part of the video shows when that person picked up at least one thing and somewhat pushed it in the direction of the person who had the intention to attack the other person. I assume that the person picked up that thing as some form of a self-defense or to defend oneself. However, the video shows when at least one person held on to the person who had the intention to attack at least one person inside of that place and somewhat bring the person down to the floor, and there were other persons there doing what they could in order to de-escalate the situation during subscribers. In the video, you can hear persons talking, you can hear some persons making certain loud sounds, and I also got the understanding that some persons left from that era where certain things were happening. The people, I don't have any confirmed information to determine where the video will be recorded. In my point of view, the situation is a bad situation. So, before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
You don't want to do it.
The bad situation that No. person should have never done anything like that. But hold on, people. Hold on there. More you listen to some words that the person who did certain things said while the person was walking to a certain direction. Just pay attention to the video. Listen. Just listen carefully. Same way the person said. Listen.
The blood of Jesus. You don't have to be, y'all. Come on.
Did you hear those words? Did you hear those words, my people? Right, listen what me I gonna say now. See? It doesn't matter if that is a place of worship or not. What a person who we see in the video had done is wrong. I don't know what might have somehow led to that type of situation, but I think it was wrong. What me see at least one person did in that video. Oh, and I want to say, blessed to all peacemakers. So I say, blessed to anyone who did what they could to try and de-escalate that type of situation. You see me? However, I don't know what happened. After certain things that I saw in that video, I don't know what happened after certain things that I see happen in that video. You know? See? So, I'm only hoping for the best. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when persons who were traveling in a motor vehicle was being chased by persons who were traveling in a motor vehicle that have flashing lights on it, and in the video you can also hear siren. Anyways, for you look at the video, I think you can assume what the whole situation might have been about. But my people, a part of the video shows when persons who were traveling in the motor vehicle that was being chased got out of the motor vehicle and ran away, leaving the motor vehicle. Viewers, subscribers. I'm wondering what the situation might have been about. I didn't even get any confirmed information to determine exactly where the video had been recorded. The video caught my attention, so I'm presenting the video to you. Look at the video for yourself. Let me know what you think. Oh, viewer discretion is advised for this video that I'm about to present to you. Observe with me. So there's the video right. Watch it. The motor vehicle still didn't move certain ways. Watch it. Alright, the people. The people, you know, what really and truly I've been thinking is that those persons got out of that motor vehicle and they ran. So me I wonder what caused the whole situation and what happened right there so make that happen there so. Is it that way? I saw a video that shows a person laying down at a spot that I think is somewhat risky. Yeah man, I think it's risky. Take a look at this video for yourself, people. Take a look at where this person was laying down. I think where the person was laying down is risky because we see motor vehicles moving about in the video. So where that person did there, anyways, I'm not able to confirm if any words said in the video are accurate or even true. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
The ugly very best life. I lie down sleeping by the areas. I wake. Trinidad. Tell me, Trinidad is not one of the best places to live in the whole entire world. She don't know.
So based on what we say, there's a wonder about mental health of that person. And out of, I wonder about the mental health of that person. You know, that person should not be laying down there. I saw a video that shows a male on one knee in front of someone. And the video shows when the person was standing in front of the person who was on one knee fell down on grass. The way all the person fall, in my point of view, look dangerous. Now, I am not sure what the person who was on one knee might have said to the person who was standing in front of that person. Because the video that I saw didn't have the correct audio. However, the video shows when the person fall down. My people, take a look at this video. I can assume what the situation might have been about. I can assume. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. Okay. Just say this. Can I drop that? That dangerous right there, some people. So, I see that video there. Catch my attention. I wonder what did I want. Okay. Alright, my people. So, a lot of times when I see a video on social media that shows someone vandalizing a motor vehicle, I assume what that might be about. I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happen when a person used an object to damage part of a motor vehicle. Now, I am not sure why the person did something like that, but for some reason, this video had been posted on social media. Why the person did something like that? I am not sure. Anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with my people. Oh, and leave a comment or comments. Let me know what you think might have caused this. Observe. Just so. And then the person just gone. Just like that. And then the person walk off. That's what the person do right there, so. Do not look right. No, it do not look right at all. I'm not even sure it's whose motor vehicle, but it still don't look right. Anyways, I think here's where I'm going to leave it, So big up and respect to each and everyone. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.